Today is the 4th of December 2020. This is a 13-year-old male golden retriever. He came today with a complaint of ears choked with pus and smell like rotten eggs. The dog shook his head daily and vigorously for the past 3 weeks. The owner was unable to clean his ear as it hurt him. The condition worsened despite regular cleaning. Singapore is an island state. Around 80% of the residents live in high-rise apartments. There are many dog lovers. Among the big breeds, the golden retrievers are one of the top 3 favorites, as they are gentle and good with small children. However, golden retrievers have floppy ears. This means that the ear canals are often covered by the ear pinnae. The floppy ears lead to poor ventilation and drainage. Many dog owners live hectic lives and have no time to clean their dog ears weekly. These pose many challenges. Ear surgery is the only solution, to open up the lateral wall of the ear canal so that pus and debris can drain out easily. Ventilation will be much better with an open lateral wall of the ear canal. Erect ears suffer from the same problem of chronic otitis externa, if not well maintained or treated by the owner and his or her vets. Ear surgeries resolve this shell teeth problem. In 2004, Dr. Singh Kongyuan started using digital imaging for his case studies. This image is his first digital record of otitis externa in a Cocker Spaniel. 16 years had passed, but smelly ears in dogs still exist in 2020. The affected 13-year-old golden retriever has been treated by Dr. Daniel Singh. However, weekly ear checkup and cleaning are required. Ear infections are still one of the top 10 medical conditions in dogs in various countries. Fortunately, the millennial and Generation Z are much more caring of their pets than the older generation.
This is a Be Kind to Pets veterinary educational videos brought to you by Toa Payoh Vets. For more information, please visit our website or call in to our clinic. For more videos, please give this video a like and subscribe to us.